Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will discuss how to simplify the algebraic expressions. One of the questions is given in front of you, 6x plus 4x plus 3x. Please keep first step in your mind. Collect all the like terms at the one place. Here in this expression 6x, 4x and 3x, they are already like terms. So just add their coefficient. In 6x, 6 is a coefficient, in 4x, 4 is a coefficient, in 3x, 3 is a coefficient. So 6x plus 4x, what is the answer? 10x plus 3x. So in the next step, 10x plus 3x, your answer will be 13x. So this is the simplest way to simplify the algebraic expression. We will also solve more examples, little bit more complicated. Thanks. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now consider this second example. Expression is 3x plus 2y plus 6x. How we simplify? The first step is that collect the like terms. In this expression, 3x and 6 are like terms. So I write it at the one place in the next step with equal sign. So 3x plus 6x plus 2y. In the next step, look. 3x plus 6x, your answer will be 9x. Just add the coefficient 3 plus 6, your answer is 9x. Plus 2y. Now 9 and 2, we cannot add them because they are unlike terms. So this is your final answer. Thanks. Now consider this another example. First read the expression. 11y square minus 3y minus 5 square. Minus 5y square. So here the same step follow. Collect the like terms. Which are two like terms? 11y square and 5y square, they are like terms, so I collect them together. I wrote in the second step 11y square minus 5y square minus 3y. So look here, they are minus. 11 is plus term and 5 is minus. So 11 minus 5, what is your answer? 6y square. 3y will come in the same way. Now we are unable to add 6 and 3 because they are different terms. Here the y power is 2, here the y power is 1. To be the like terms, only those which have the same variable and same power. So 6y square minus 3y, they are different terms. They cannot add together, so this is your final answer. Thanks. Now consider this another example. 4 plus 9v minus 6v minus 11. Here if you look, 9v and 6v are like terms. And in the same way, 4 and 11 both are the constant, they are also like. So just collect them together. I just do first step 9v minus 6v and constant on the separate side 4 and 11 plus 4 minus 11. So here x will be 9v minus 6v. What is your answer? 3v plus 4 minus 11. Answer will be minus 7. So keep in your mind whenever there are two different signs, like here the plus 4 minus 11 plus or minus, there will always be minus. There will always be subtraction, but the sign will come with the final answer, that is a greater term. Here are two terms, plus 4 minus 11, different signs. Which one is bigger? Minus 11 is a big quantity, so with the final answer minus will become, so with the answer minus 7, not plus 7. So our answer will be 3v minus 7. So this is a way how to simplify the algebraic expression. Thanks. Now consider this another example. A square plus 2a plus 2 minus a square plus 5a. Here the same rule. First collect together all the like terms. So I collect a square and a square at the one place. A square minus a square plus 2a plus 5a, because 2a and 5a both are the same, plus 2 it is separate things, so at the end. So a square minus a square, what is your answer? 0. Both will cancel each other because they are exactly the same quantities with opposite signs, so they cancel each other. What left here? 0 plus 2a plus 5a, what is your answer? 7a plus 2. So 0 plus 7a plus 2, in the next step your answer will be at the end 7a plus 2. Thanks. Now consider another example. 5t minus 3v minus 8t plus 10v. How we will simplify it? The first rule is that to collect all the like terms. So look that 5t and 80 are like terms, and 3v and 10v also are like terms, so I collect them together. 5t minus 80 minus 3v plus 10v, because there are two pairs of like terms here, 5t 80 and 3v and 10v. So now we start to solve our question. 5t minus 80, what is the answer? Minus 3t. Why? Look here, 5t have a sign of plus and minus 80. So whenever there are two different signs with the like terms, they will always subtract. But with the answer, the sign will come that is with the greater term, with the bigger term. So look here 5t minus 80, your answer will be minus 3t because 8 is minus. Next look, minus 3v plus 10v, what is your answer? They will subtract, but with the final answer they will be plus because 10v is greater term than the 3v. So minus 3t plus 7v, rearrange the terms so it looks nice only. Other one is also okay. If you write like that, minus 3t plus 7v, it's also right answer, but it's better to write it like that, 7v minus 3t. So this is your answer. So keep in your mind always that like terms collect them together and then add or subtract whatever it is required there. Thanks.